New Google Notebook LM update is insane. Today, I'm going to show you how Google just made notes turn into videos with crazy AI art. This thing is free. It makes narrated slideshows from your messy docs. You get 6 wild art styles and it takes like 1 click. This is going to change how you make content forever. So Google just dropped this update to Notebook LM and it's honestly wild. They added something called video overviews with nano banana visuals. Yeah, that's the real name. Nano banana, I know it sounds like a fruit, but it's actually Google's image model that makes art from your notes. Here's what happened. Notebook LM used to just make audio podcasts from your docs. Now it makes full videos, narrated videos with illustrations, with diagrams, with quotes pulled right from your source files. And you don't need to be a designer. You don't need Photoshop. You just upload your stuff and press a button. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you think. Let me break down what this does. You throw in a PDF or a Google Doc or even a YouTube link, Notebook LM reads it. Then it generates a video overview. That means a short slideshow with a voiceover that explains your content. The voice sounds like 2 people talking. It's not robotic. It's actually pretty natural. Now here's where it gets crazy. You get 6 visual styles to pick from: watercolor, papercraft, anime, whiteboard, retro print, and heritage. Each one has a different vibe. Watercolor looks soft and artsy. Papercraft looks like cut paper and crafts. Anime is bold and colorful. Whiteboard is clean and simple. Retro print looks like old posters. Heritage looks classic and vintage. You can switch styles instantly, no waiting, no rendering, you just click and boom, new art, same narration, different look. This is huge because now you can match your brand or your audience without learning design software. And there's 2 formats, brief and explainer. Brief gives you a quick recap, it's like 30 seconds to a minute, perfect for YouTube Shorts or TikToks or Instagram Reels. Explainer is longer, it's structured, it goes deep, it's like 5 to 12 minutes. That's perfect for full YouTube videos or training content. Before I move further, let me tell you about 2 things that are going to change your business. First is my AI Profit Boardroom. This is the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. We're talking real systems that make you money. Second is the AI Money Lab. It's completely free. Inside, you get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You learn how to make money with AI agents. You get 1,000 plus free N8N workflows. You get a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. Plus, you get a free AI community, a free AI course, and proven AI case studies. Both links are in the description. Join now. All right, let's keep going. So why does this matter? Because most people hate turning notes into videos. It's boring. It takes forever. You got to write a script. You got to find images. You got to record audio. You got to edit. Notebook LM does all of that in one shot. You upload your notes and get a finished video in minutes. Now, let me tell you how to actually use this thing. First, you open Notebook LM. It's free. You don't need to pay anything. You just need a Google account. Then you make a new notebook or open one you already have. You add sources. That could be a PDF, a Word doc, a Google doc, a web page, a YouTube video, anything with text or info. Once your sources are in, you hit the video overview button. It's right there in the interface. Then you pick your format, brief or explainer. Then you pick your style, one of those 6 nano banana styles I mentioned. Then you hit generate. That's it. You wait like a minute or 2 and boom, you got a video. The video plays right in the app. It's got narration, it's got slides, it's got visuals pulled from your sources. If your PDF had a chart, it might show that chart. If your doc had a quote, it might highlight that quote on screen. It's contextual. It's not random stock art. It's made from your actual content. Now, here's where this gets insane for YouTube creators. You can use the brief format to pump out shorts. Think about it. You got a long blog post. You throw it in Notebook LM. You generate a brief. You get a 30-second narrated video with cool visuals. You post it. Done. You just made a short in 2 minutes. Or you use the explainer format for your main channel videos. You got course notes, you got research, you got a bunch of PDFs, you throw them all in, you generate an explainer, you get a 5-minute script with visuals. Now you got a backbone for your video, you can record over it, you can use the visuals as B-roll, you can even just re-record the script in your own voice and use their slides. And the visuals make great thumbnails. You generate a video in the anime style, you screenshot one of the slides, you add some text, boom, thumbnail. You didn't need Canva, you didn't need a designer. Notebook LM gave you the art. So you pick the style that matches your vibe. That's the beauty of this. You're not locked into one look. You can make the same video in 6 different styles and test which one performs better. You can A/B test your thumbnails, you can A/B test your shorts, you can see what your audience likes. Now, let me talk about how to actually export this stuff. When you generate a video overview, it plays in the app. You can record your screen, you can use OBS or QuickTime or whatever screen recorder you got. You just hit record and play the video. Now you got the file. Or you can export the frames, you can screenshot the slides, you can pull those images out and use them as B-roll, you can drop them into Premiere or Final Cut or CapCut, you can add your own voiceover, you can add music, you can customize it however you want. The narration is generated by NotebookLM, it's AI voices, they sound like two people having a conversation, it's pretty natural, but if you want to use your own voice, you just record over it, you use the script that NotebookLM wrote, you read it yourself. Now it's your voice with their visuals. That's a killer combo. Now, let me talk about the rollout because this isn't available everywhere yet. Right now, it's rolling out on desktop first. It's in English first. Google said they're expanding to more languages and mobile soon. So if you're not seeing it yet, check back in a few days. It's coming. You need a Google account. You need to go to NotebookLM. That's at notebooklm.google.com. It's free. You don't need Google One. You don't need to pay for anything. You just sign in and start using it. Now let me talk about the legal side. If you use NotebookLM to make videos, make sure you own or have rights to the source material. Don't throw in someone else's copyrighted PDF and make a video from it. That's not cool. That could get you in trouble. Use your own content. Use public domain content. Use content you have permission to use. Also, if you're showing user data or private info in your videos, blur it or anonymize it. Don't show sensitive stuff. Protect people's privacy. And check Google's terms if you plan to rehost or sell NotebookLM content. Google might have rules about commercial use. Read the terms, stay safe, all right? So here's what you need to do right now. Go to NotebookLM, make a notebook, add some sources, generate a video overview, try the brief format, try the explainer format, try all 6 styles. See what works for you. Then think about how you can use this. Can you make shorts? Can you make YouTube videos? Can you make training videos? Can you make a course? Can you offer it as a service? Can you sell templates? Pick one idea and run with it. This tool is free. This tool is powerful. This tool just dropped. That means most people don't know about it yet. You got a head start, use it. And if you want to go even deeper, join my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we take tools like NotebookLM and build entire businesses around them. We automate everything. We scale fast. We make more money with less work. That's the goal. The link is in the description. Second is the AI Money Lab. It's completely free. Inside, you get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You learn how to make money with AI agents. You get 1,000 plus free N8N workflows. You get a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. Plus, you get a free AI community, a free AI course, and proven AI case studies. Both links are in the description. Join now. All right, let's keep going. Comment below and tell me which nano banana style you're going to use. Are you going watercolor, papercraft, anime, whiteboard, retro print, or heritage? Let me know. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you drop one. And stick around because I'm making a follow-up video where I build a full course using just NotebookLM outputs. No recording, no editing, just NotebookLM. That's coming soon. Subscribe so you don't miss it. All right, see you in the next one.